Tesla drops again, do we need to set the cut loss? And what is the strategy? And why I pick up Tesla for this channel to recommend you guys? Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy, money mindset to help you make more, learn more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. The first thing I want to check with you is Tesla. So far it go up for 3 days and come down again. Do we need to do the cut loss? Okay. First thing, we use the strategy. Why we buy is they hit the YM chip entry, the tallest candle, and they go above, right? And also the OBOS, they kind of close above this, the highest point, right? We bought. But one thing is, last time I also mentioned two downside for Tesla. First, this is still a downtrend because the hour indicator blue line is still going downward. This blue line is different from other moving average or other indicator. They tell you right away where you should hold the cash, where you should hold the stock. When it's go upward, it is the time to hold the stock. When it is downward, this is the time to hold the cash for most of the case, unless you want to try to catch the bottom, right? Or the V-bars. So now we're catching the V-bars. Last time I mentioned you, okay? The first thing for the trend, downtrend, okay? Even this go up, this is still a V-bars. Second thing, look at the fund. YM Big Buy finally go above zero. This is one good thing, but YM cheapest, look at this. The institution holding, which is our main force, main push, the main factor to pull up the price is still going downward and is not yet above this purple line. Okay, so last time I told you, we need the fund to change the trend. You can see this red line. This red line is our fast track line. From downward, 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 downward. Okay, they go above, yes, but they not yet changed the direction. We are still going downward. Okay, but one more thing. We bought with the red. Okay, I told you when we do the cut loss, when we sell, we use the red line to sell also. When they drop below, we sell. But so far, we don't have the sell signal yet. Okay, so far not yet. And do we have the purple again? Yes, the purple fresh again here. We back to the purple status. Purple mean oversold. Oversold. Okay, so people get panic, people sell it. Now down by 4% right now. 4.6% right now. Another thing I want to check with you is institutions still buying at this moment. Institutions still buying at this moment. So when we have YM chip entry, this only target institution buying. Okay, they filter. So each time it happens, it indicate the low, it indicate the low, it indicate the low. Where, how to tell this is an ultimate lowest point is by the trend, okay, from downward trend to upward trend. So if you are quite, if you are the person quite like that, you don't want to do the cut loss session, you don't want to buy and sell for short term, you are not short term trader, you can buy when the blue change the direction. Okay, at least when they stand above the blue. So far we're not yet there. But if you are more short-term trader, you can start your position right here, right? Right here. So far we don't have a cut loss setting yet because we still stay above this red line. If you don't have my indicator, you can use this, you may use this purple line because this is the last purple we bought, right? We use the OBOS strategy. The last purple, when they go above the last purple highest point, we bought, okay? But now they back to that position. So you may set this as a cut loss, 217, okay? As a cut loss if you don't have my indicator. Remember, if you follow my strategy, I prefer if you follow my channel and if you do some trading, either you have my indicator, you subscribe to it, and you can buy with the red line. Buy with red, sell with red. If you use the blue line, you buy with blue, you sell with blue line. Okay, when they drop below the blue, you sell. So basically you buy here, and you sell here. That's it. If you don't have my indicator, one thing you need to be very careful. Don't be ambitious or a short-term trader. be a long-term trader, have a long-term mindset. Because if you don't have my indicator, you will get panic if you're a short-term trader. If you want to catch something like this, it's only 4 or 5 days. It's only 4 or 5 days. You don't have my indicator. How do you tell? Hey, this is a gain price. Okay, stop and then sell. How do you know that? Okay, how do you know that? Maybe you're waiting to hit the high again. Okay, but actually the fact is they could drop below the red here. Okay, so you buy here, you sell here. This is a short-term operation. Our preferred method is use the blue method, okay? But now, so since we have so many indicators to flash, hey, this is the low. For example, OBOS, the purple candle, and also YM chip entry also tell you this could be one of our low, okay? We are kind of trying to switch the direction, okay? This is the one thing for the daily chart. How about weekly chart? Weekly chart, I can teach you something more about the pattern. So basically, we fresh already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 continuously red candle. You mean they continues to drop, okay? But one thing is interesting is, okay, weekly chart, we don't have YM chip entry. But one thing is interesting is I want you to look at this free candle. So let me hide this free candle. Okay? Okay. If you have my indicator, you will sell around here, right? With the OBOS, when the yellow disappear, you sell. Or you sell when they drop below the red, because this is a weekly candle, a weekly chart. So let me hide this. Let's look at this free candle. 1, 2, 3. They're continuously going down. Okay? But the volume is continuously going up. This, for the volume pattern, it could mean it's one of the pattern, not all of the pattern like this, but it is one of the pattern to tell you this could be the low. Okay, this could be the low. You can also check other. So we have A, B, C going up, or either A, B, C going down, or they have a concave shape. It's also, it means this is the low. Okay, so it's quite interesting way to see it. And another thing I want to share with you is monthly chart. Okay, our monthly chart. I want to tell you why I choose Tesla. Why don't I choose NVIDIA to recommend you? So if you look at Tesla, look at the pattern, look at the character of this stock. Is this stock go sideways, boom, up, sideways, boom, up, sideways, boom, up. Okay, so basically now we're kind of doing a sideways, if you see here. Okay, so I hope you understand first the character of the stock. If you look at some other stock, like NVIDIA, NVIDIA is very different. They don't have such a pattern. They don't have such a pattern. Okay, so so some stock they don't even have a pattern. So for big volume stock, usually they have a pattern. Okay, so you may check your stock. Okay, so this is why I choose Tesla. I choose Tesla. Okay, so if you look at some indicator here, one thing is really bad is the YM big buy for Tesla monthly chart. They have red candle here. When they flash the red, they start to drop. Okay, and you can see these two candle drop, one candle up, and then another 4 candle drop. Okay, so it's quite interesting way. If you ask me, is it finished the whole correction? If you look at the time for monthly chart, maybe not. But for daily chart, we have few signal to tell you, this could be the low. Okay. Is it possible to go lower? Yes, because with our history, you can see the green, when they flash the green, they can continue to flash the green. Okay, it just indicate this is the low, this is the low, this is the low. But for our strategy, if you have a lot of money, if you don't mind to accumulate the stock, you can accumulate here, 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 here. If you want to have profits, if you want cash, 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 you can use YM Club Fast and YM Club Long plus this as your buy sell strategy. How? When we buy with the strategy with YM chip entry, as I told you before, how to buy, which either we use the tallest green candle or the first green candle, when they have highest point, we go above it, we close above it, we bought. Okay? We bought. And then we sell when they drop below the red line. When they drop below, we sell. That's it. So we can continuously to get profit with very limited loss. Okay? And so we buy, we sell. We buy, we sell here. And here is a bit special. Here, basically, we buy around here. We not yet drop below the red, but the blue changed the direction already. You see the downward to upward? You change the direction. And you can see YM chippers, they changing the direction as well. The red up very obviously is from downward to upward. Okay, so even the institution here start to come up. That's why the trend is changing. Okay, because of these funding to change the trend. Okay, so then they change the trend. When they drop below, you can choose to reduce your holding, okay? And you buy again. But remember, this is from downward trend to upward trend already. So you can also choose to hold it and you add your position here again, and then you hold it until here, you sell again. When we can avoid this kind of drop, okay? And we buy again until here, the blue line. Okay, I always recommend people to buy with the blue line. It's the easiest way to make maximum profit. The red line is more frequent operation. Okay, especially when I don't really like to do when the blue line go down, the red line go up. I don't like to do that, especially without the YM chip entry. I don't even mention here. Why? Because it would be very short term. Look at here. They don't have YM entry here, but look at here. They go above the red. Okay, some people buy. You can catch a short profit like from 175 to 199. People are very happy. Yes, but this is not something I'm looking for. I'm looking for something much bigger, like this kind of wave, like this kind of wave. Okay, like this kind of wave, like from 168 to 270. Okay, something like that. Okay, from here to here. Okay, this is quite easy way to do. This is quite easy way to do. Now you can see we last time I told you to sell, which is around here. We have few signal to tell you should sell here, including OBOS here. You see the yellow disappear. They disappear and they close below. If you see here, right? Yellow disappear and they close below. And then they have a further confirmation here to tell you to sell because they drop below the blue. Okay. If you look at the weekly chart, which day is it? This one, December 18th. If you look at the weekly chart, you can also see, so even on weekly chart is overbought. When it's weekly chart overbought, and on daily chart, you need to be very cautious because it's double overbought. The worst is triple overbought, which is a fresh overbought on monthly chart as well, such as here, back to 221. Okay, why this time we are dropping? Why Tesla is dropping? Because on monthly chart, we hit the previous peak here. Here. If you look at the Tesla monthly chart, you can see very clearly we are hitting the previous peak. That's why we have kind of like a correction. So I hope you understand this is the thing. Okay, so this is the update for Tesla, and I hope you guys enjoy this weekend, and I see you in the next video. See you. Bye.